In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Pocket Option to bank account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the withdrawal options in Pocket Option and how you can withdraw your money. So first, to initiate a withdrawal request, go over to the Pocket Option website, sign into your account, click on the amount of money that you have available on your balance, and then use this icon here. You can also click on your icon at the top right and go to withdraw. Now, you will be able to choose between deposit or withdrawal. If you have a new account like mine, you usually see this warning: withdrawal process become available after you deposit on your account. So if needed, you will have to go over to deposit and choose from any of these payment methods available. So to keep it simple, after you are done with this withdrawal process unlock, you will be able to choose from a variety of payment methods. Now, this is where the process might get tricky. Some regions will not offer bank accounts withdrawals. So, if you notice that among all of these options, there is nothing related to a bank, then sadly, you will not be able to transfer money directly to your bank account. Most of the time, they will offer various different crypto services or assets such as Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and so on. So, for most regions, these crypto withdrawals are always going to be available. If for your specific region you see the option to withdraw to a bank, then you just have to select it here and you will be able to input the necessary details such as the account number, routing number, and so on. If you select crypto, then you will have to input a wallet address. This can be from any exchange service such as Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and so on. And after you initiate this withdrawal request, you will be able to select it and receive the asset that you sent over to that wallet or exchange service. And afterwards, you can try transferring it from the exchange service to a bank account. Transferring directly to a bank from Pocket Option might be difficult if your region does not offer that sort of payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Pocket Option to bank account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.